Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install Mazda 3 taillights. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the taillight assembly of this Mazda 3. This is a 2010 Mazda 3, and I'm going to show you exactly how to install it. It's actually really simple. I just removed it for a different video, so I'm going to show you how to install it for this video. There's one thing that you should know, and that is that there's a little pointy thing that goes through one of these holes right here, and there's actually a clip, or an opening I should say, on the smaller end of the taillight that ends up clipping into there. So what we're going to do is we're going to look right here, and this is the clip part that I was talking about. So when you slide it into place, you're not pushing it in towards the car, you're sliding it towards the front. So I'm going to grab the taillight assembly just like this, okay, and I'm placing it in place right there. So right now it's just sort of being held in place. Woo! A bee just flew on me, don't want to get stung. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this end right here and I'm going to try and slide it in place right there. So I'm just trying to position it just like this. We're trying to slide it in place like that, while at the same time getting the other pieces through here. So right now we're almost there. Just going to try and slide it in place right there. So you can say I didn't get the clip in. I'm going to bring it back. We're going to try one more time, okay? I'm trying to line it up like that. I'm just trying to do this with one hand. I do apologize. But what we're going to do is we're going to try and line it up and slide it in there just like that. Let's try one more time. No, we didn't get it that time. No. So I'm going to actually place the camera down, okay? So just bear with me over here. I'm going to place the camera down and I'm going to show you how I try and slide it in place. So let's give you a better view of what's going on over there. Okay, so now we've placed the camera down. We're going to try and slide it in place. So pull it back. You can see the clip portion right there that gets slid into place. Okay, hopefully you can see that. What we're going to do is we're going to line it up like this, and then we're going to slide it in place. Just like that. There we go. So right now we've slid it in place. We're good to go, okay? So sorry about the little confusion there, but it takes two hands basically. Now that we've slid it in place, inside of the trunk there's a clip right here. We've removed the clip already. I'm going to just pry this back, and you can see right here that essentially we have three bolts that we need to put nuts on, and then we have two connectors. So what I like to do is just get these nuts and just place them on the bolts just loosely, so that we don't so that the taillight doesn't fall out. As soon as you get one on there, it should be okay in the sense that it's not going to fall out, but we're not going to tighten them down just yet, okay? You just want to get them in place and just tighten them up, finger tighten them, so that the taillight isn't going to go anywhere. That's the main idea here. Okay, so once we've got the third one in place over here, okay, now we can do is I like to just finger tighten them a little bit more, okay, each one at a time, and then I like to just get my ratchet with my socket, and I just tighten it up. I think it's on loosening mode right now. Yeah, so we're gonna twist it around to make it into tightening mode. I'm really trying to do this with one hand. I'm doing my best here, so please bear with me. Just like that. Just give me one moment. Okay, it's not quite lining up because it's not deep enough now that the bolt is fully in. Just give me 1 second here. I'm just going to place the camera down. I don't know what you can see, but I'm just getting it ready right here. Essentially, we're just going to tighten it up. Now it's on loosen mode. Anyways, I don't need to show you that part. You're going to tighten these bolts nice and tightly with a wrench of some sort, and then you need to just connect these two connectors. So I'm going to connect this one over here on this side, and then this one over here on this side. That's it. Then once you're done that, you just put the clip back in and you're good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.